Hi dear friends, this is Vetrivel. This tutorial I will teach how to generate a barcode using in Windows applications. Now I will show the demo first. After that I will teach how to make it. So first of all I need to type anything, any words or any string in this particular text box. After I am clicking the generate button, it will show the barcode. Now I am typing welcome to India. Now I am click generate, so it will generate the barcode for particular this number. After that I am typing any word like 1 2 word like that. I am clicking the generate button. It will generating the barcode for here. So one more thing you have to remember that, so you type any character like a small or caps, it automatically converted into caps lock word. Here I am using the before this code, before and last sections I am using the star button, star keyword. Why I am using the star? The reader will be analyzed, this is the starting point and this is the ending point. So that's why I am using here star. Okay, now step by step I am showing how to make that particular video for that. Now I am adding one new form. So just I already have the project called video project, and right click the project solution bar and go to add section. I am clicking the Windows form here, or else you have to go to new item, and inside a new item dialog box you have to select the Windows form here. Here I am putting the form name is generate barcode. Now I am click add button, so one form will be added here. This is our form. Here I am adding three components, like one component is button. So here I am changing the name is button, name is called generate. So right click the button and click the properties. In that properties section you have to choose here properties, and in properties section you have to choose text box. Inside the text box you have to type like generate. Now I need to add one text box here. This is a text box one, and the final one is I am adding a one picture box also. So this is a picture box. So I am changing the size of the font buttons. Just I am selecting those two components and go to the properties sections. I am choosing the font section. Inside the font section I am choosing the font name. I am using Zero UI and selecting the regular font size, and to put the 12 is a font size. Okay, now I am clicking this button, double click this button. So inside a button I need to write the queries here. So you have to don't worry about this installation. Now here I am declaring two library functions. So using system.io, this is used for input output. So you can write or save anything, that time you have to use this library. And using system.drawings.image, so that image it will be converting the font to barcode font. That time it will use after coming section I will explain to both details. Now inside I need to declare some things. So first of all I am declaring the variables. So string barcode equal to text box one dot text. So this line, it will be reading the what I am typing, the text box 1, that particular text read to this barcode. After that I need to declare bitmap. So bitmap comes from this drawing sections. So you have to declare the drawing sections, system.drawings.imaging, then only you the bitmap will be enabled. So here bitmap equal to new bitmap here. So barcode dot length int 40 comma 150. So this is a width of the image size. This is a height of the image size. Height of the image size is I am fixing the constant, and width of the image size, how much the text length will be coming, into 40. So one character equal to 40 pixels length I am declaring here. I need to declare the point of the area of the picture box. Okay, so I am using point point equal to new point. Here 2f means is a float variable, and again 2f. So x-axis, y-axis of the point sections I have declared here. Now I am using new point. Here I am using point f. Point f. Here, before that I need to do one thing. So using font equal to new drawing system.drawing fonts. Here I am using the barcode font. Barcode font means barcode font is a IMI. Barcode font will generate the barcode of the image. So I am declaring the font name here. After that, this is a size of the font. I am choosing 20 is the font size. Here I am writing the font name. So better you have to copy the font from font name. So go to design sections and go to properties here, and font section, click here font ID. This is a font name. Just I am copy the font name. This is a barcode font. View code. Here I am just paste it. So this is a barcode where you have to get the font, this particular font. So you can download this font from this link. So I will post the link also. So you can download from the font this particular link. After that you have to just follow the installation details. After read the installation details, you usually install that particular font in your systems. So using graphics equal to graphics dot from image bitmap. Any name here to declare any name here. So you have to assign the particular bitmap variable. Is just cut this variable and paste in outside. So copy this variable name into here. So I declare that to variable here. Okay guys, we got these things. After that I declared font size, which font and area of the picture box, and now declare the background and font color right now. So I am declaring the font color. So solid brush black equal to new solid brush color dot black. So I need to use this section to the font color. Same wise I need to show the background color. I am using the background color will be white. So white. Here also I am using white. So here to declare any name here I am using the these things. Now graphics dot fill rectangle white comma 0 comma 0 comma bitmap dot width comma bitmap dot height. And graphics dot draw string. So draw string. Here string is, before that I am using the star and plus barcode plus again I am using star comma and font comma brush color is black, font color is black, and background color is font color is black brush I am using, and point section I am using point. So how much font sections that turned out? So here white I am using, so I am changing the name to white. Here also white. Okay, now I pass these values to memory string here. So using memory string ms equal to new memory string here bitmap dot save ms comma I am declaring the image format imag image format dot png or any name here to declare here. Here I am using png. Out of the picture box one dot image equal to bitmap, and picture box 1 dot image, not image, height, picture box 1 dot height equal to bitmap dot height, as well as picture box 1 dot width equal to bitmap dot width. I think is enough. Control S. Now I need to deploy the starting program to this generate form. So generate barcode and save and run the project here. Now here I am typing any name and click generate. It will generating the particular name for the barcode here. Okay, I need to change one more thing here. Go to the picture box and changing the border style to fix a single, so it will generate a one one border style. Now here typing any word like good man and click the generate button. It will generating the barcode for that. Okay guys, we will meet on a next best tutorial. I hope you can understand everybody. See you later.